Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to create new album and gallery Android. Here are two basic methods to create new album and gallery on Android device. First method, using the default gallery app. Open the gallery app. Launch your Android device's default gallery app. Go to Albums tab. Navigate to the album section, usually at the bottom or top of the app. Create a new album. Tap the plus or new album button, may also be labeled Create Album or plus button. Name the album. Enter a name for the album and confirm by tapping Save, Create, or Done. Add photos. Choose photos from your existing gallery to add to the new album if prompted. Last method, using a file manager app. Open your device's file manager, go to Internal Storage, go to the DCIM, Pictures, or Camera folder where your media files are stored. Tap the three dots or menu icon, then choose New Folder or Create Folder. Enter a name for a folder. This will act as your album, and confirm or create folder. Then you can move photos in this newly created folder, and it will automatically appear as an album in your gallery app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.